Hi, this is Luke, and this is our first look at Bounce Factory 2 from Andrew Scheps. Now, for those unfamiliar with Bounce Factory, this supercharges your Pro Tools bounce dialog with options to make dozens or even hundreds of unattended mix passes automatically. This means I can create all my assets in one hit, in one window, whether I'm there or not. And with options to grab bounce dialog information or take Bounce Factory snapshots that are exclusive to the application, with the option for multiple solo or mute passes or batch stem passes, it's easy to see why Bounce Factory can be so indispensable for engineers, especially at the end of a long day. So why would I get Bounce Factory 2? Well, Andrew Scheps has rewritten the core engine from the ground up, building on SoundFlow's new SFX technology. As a result, Bounce Factory 2 is now up to 10 times faster than the previous version and now comes pre-installed with Pro Tools as well. And Bounce Factory 2 now has 3 tiers, so you've got Pro, Studio and Express. So you get exactly what you need for less money, and not only that, you do not need a SoundFlow subscription anymore to use Bounce Factory. But the thing about Bounce Factory 2 that will grab so much attention is the ability to run Bounce Factory Flow directly in the Pro Tools edit window. In the SoundFlow tab, I can just navigate to Scheps Bounce Factory, and of course I can float the SoundFlow tab if I want to. And taking full advantage of the new SoundFlow functionality, it's very easy to use Bounce Factory this way. I just get prompted and have my hand held throughout the entire process. Just click the button. And once Bounce Factory has initialized its snapshot, I can go ahead and set up multiple mix passes right inside Pro Tools. So first up, let's set up a standard mix pass. I have a shortened timeline selection at the moment, but this could obviously run down the entire length of my timeline. And I can also set up solo and mute passes. Now these are based upon my Pro Tools track selections, so I have 2 vocal tracks selected at the moment. And if I hit solo pass, I will get these on their own. So let's give this an appropriate name. Then maybe set up an instrumental pass, again, based on my selected tracks. And finally, I could select all of my tracks and then do a stem pass as well. And plenty of fields available here for me to enter the information that I need, especially if I'm sending this on elsewhere. So once I've got everything set up, all I have to do is go through to the next window and hit bounce now and go and do something else. And once I come back to Pro Tools after a lovely rest, doing something else, I'm met with this screen here. And if I do want to do the odd spot check, I can do that. You smiled and said you were letting go, but now the joke's on you. And I can do those spot checks safe in the knowledge that there is a great deal of code dedicated to the stability and the reliability of the assets created using Bounce Factory 2. I also have the option to set up passes in Bounce Factory Flow to go into further detail in Bounce Factory 2 standalone later on if I want to. So with the new tiers, as well as a cross-platform engine that can run on both macOS and Windows, and with tighter Pro Tools integration through SoundFlow SFX as well, Bounce Factory 2 will do its thing in the studio so that I don't have to. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to the Production Expert blog.